Happy Black History Month.
Happy Black History Month.
Even though you're wearing the wrong colors,
I mean,
we're rattlers over here.
it's Black Love Month.
I get it.
You
I get
know?
it. So it's still HBCU, Bethune-Cookman. We'll give them their props. So as a Black attorney, as a Black female attorney, what would you say has been some of the challenges or even triumphs being in this field, particularly estate planning and probate?
Okay. I think being in this field as a Black woman, I get to relate to people that look like us.
Hmm.
And I feel like we're underrepresented, specifically in the area of practice that we're in
Definitely.
this field, right?
Yes.
So when someone calls me and they're literally saying, like, oh, I get to speak freely with you, you know, they're comfortable having those conversations. Oh, my granny,
Yeah,
this
without
and
code switching.
exactly. You don't have to code switch or anything like that. So I think that's the biggest thing that I've experienced and I really enjoy. I get to relate to families and assist them naturally,
Yeah.
to their needs. So
Definitely. And as you mentioned, right, a lot of times we are the only two in a room because most older attorneys, like when we go into a room of estate planning attorneys, we're the only one that look like us,
exactly.
right? And so the client, they don't look like us. So the client, a lot of the clients, they're seeking us intentionally to be able to sit down with someone that looks like them, that understands certain culture without them having to explain that, right? It's like, I don't have to explain myself because you know what I'm trying to do. You know my family dynamics. Even in the island, talk about that, right? As Jamaican, in heritage for me, I'm Haitian. A lot of times where our clients come to us, we kind of already know how they are. They don't have to explain. It's like, I get it. It's like, mom, don't want to talk about anything death because you're trying to kill me.
Exactly. Oh, those are my best conversations though. Like having my background, the Jamaican background, or even just like African American, there's a lot of fear or hesitation with signing some documents to give. Everybody thinks they're trying to,
Take
off
one over,
them.
yeah.
Yeah, or
Mhm.
take, you know, have something over them or whatever. So I love having those conversations with families where they're really like understanding what I'm saying,
Yeah.
understanding the importance, like, and it's important to have someone be able to relate to you and also give you good information.
Information,
So
yeah. And I
I,
think that's where the education comes in, right? It's like, because of the lack of education sometimes about estate planning and also the fear, right? We don't want to have that conversation. You'd rather not have the conversation and just, you'll deal with it when I'm gone.
I've heard so many times, I'm not gonna be here. I don't want to
Ex
deal with it.
Okay, it's like that's for you to do, but
Exactly.
we have to remind them, what kind of legacy you wanna leave behind. Do you want to leave that your family's fighting over your assets and say, "This is what grandma left me, a mess," or would I rather sit down and take the time to say, "Okay, I want to make things as smooth as possible under the circumstances and make sure that your estate is done."
Exactly.
Is that education part to really talk to them and say, "Okay, I understand."
Mhm.
But however, comma,
Yes.
it's important to get those things done.
Exactly. And a lot of them just haven't had those conversations, right? Again, it goes back to there's not a lot of people that look like us specifically in our field.
Mhm.
I would say it's growing now, which is great.
Yeah,
So, we're able to educate them more, but it just keeps going back to that. Representation is a serious thing. And I'm very happy that
yes,
that
that
we
we are
are
in
part
that
of that.
field.
Yes,
Yes.
exactly.
Clients seek us out particularly because we are, we look like them and that we're HBCU grads,
Of
right?
course.
It's like, so family. So we get sicked
It
out.
doesn't show today,
It
but
doesn't show
I am a
today, but
rattler.
we'll forgive her. But our goal as attorneys, and especially as Black female attorneys, is to be that voice for other clients that they can come feel comfortable sitting with us and talking about their estate planning without fear of judgment, and get those things in writing and make sure you protect your legacy.
Exactly.
Definitely.